Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to unblock on Instagram by using your PC. So you can unblock someone from your PC on Instagram. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show in my desktop. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So here guys, I am on my Instagram. So first step is simple. Go to your profile photo and click on profile, and here you can see the gear icon. Okay, here again you have to click on privacy and security. You will see the all option here. Now you have to select the privacy security. This by default will be selected. Now just scroll down and here you can see view account data. Click on it and here you can see the account info and connection. In connection you will see lots of options. So you have to go in the accounts you blocked. Just click on it and here you can see the all account you have blocked. Just copy the username and just go to the search and click on it and you can unblock from here. Just unblock, it will be unblocked. Okay, so if you already know username, just go to the search and type the username, that profile will come and you can unblock from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe me. Thank you for watching.